Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on the homepage to learn more. And anyways, the Kiwi dollar is definitely still in a very strong uptrend. Now we are very close to the 61% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame, which is the Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. Definitely could be an area of resistance. Plus we have like a drop-based drop zone right here, so definitely could be an area where we possibly end either this wave A or wave one and make a correction to the whole move up. So we could get a pretty big counter trend move started if we can prove that it's over. Now, for me, the most recent structure is right here, but I feel like that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern right there. So this breaker structure right here, I don't really think proves that the whole trend is over. I think it just proves that this one wave is over. But if it does start to, gain momentum to the downside, start to break structure and hold down really well, then there really should be a confirmation that this whole move up is over and that this is the end of a wave A or wave one, meaning that the next move down would be either a wave B or a wave two. A wave B or wave two would probably go someplace between the 38 and 78% of this whole move up. So significantly pretty big move to the downside. But this all depends on whether or not we break and hold below structure. If we don't break and hold below structure, the trend is up and it very easily could continue up. For me personally, I always wait for the breaker structure, then I always wait for a pullback, and then I go short on the pullback, and hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for joining and happy trading.